Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very excited for today's video. I am taking you over to my friend's house and we are going to be doing an office makeover. Her birthday is coming up and her girls wanted to help me. So without further ado, let's get into today's video.
With you, everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
My friend husband also contributed with this makeover. He painted the walls and hung the two shelves that you see on the back walls. However, he does not like to be seen on camera and therefore we did not film him. Here you are gonna meet Mia, who is the oldest daughter out of the three. The carpet tiles that you see on this floor, to say the least, in person are very hideous. They're slippery, they do not stay in place because they don't have a good grip to the floor. They feel like sandpapers if you are not wearing socks, and they're very hard to wash. But today, thanks to Mate's removable carpets, we are going to give this office a cozy, affordable, and practical upgrade.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you.
The colors that my friend chose for this office are light gray and gray, and they fit it perfectly. They match the whole theme that she has going on in the room. They're delicate and very aesthetic.
It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
The girls wanted to test out the carpet and make sure that everything that I was telling them about it is true. So you are gonna witness them trying to dance on top of them, trying to move them. And me and we actually tried to kick the carpet to see if it was gonna move, and it didn't. So this is what you are about to experience next.
There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
The two boxes will cover approximately 43 square feet, and can I just tell you how easy it is to install? Anyone can do it. The girls can do it, so if they can do it, you could do it too. This is the pattern that at the end I decided to create for my friend, and I enjoy really much when you connect two planks together. All you have to do is run your hand through it and the line disappear. It was so satisfying, and most satisfying to feel that it didn't feel like sandpaper. These planks are honestly very comfy. The padding, it's high tech, and it has a special grip to the floor that they do not move at all. Most importantly, can I just tell you how easy they are to clean? With the girls, I am going to do a demo and they're going to get into character to show you what will happen if by any chance they spill anything on mommy's carpet. Now, if you're looking into an upgrade and you don't have a lot of money and you're trying to save money in the installation, make sure that you utilize my coupon that I'm posting here so you could get your own Matisse carpets and do the project yourself. I will be leaving the website in the description down below for Matisse removable carpet as well as my discount code.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but
Now
we
that the
get
carpet
up
is
and start
installed,
from the
I am
ground.
bringing the furniture back and giving everything a quick clean using my Joe products. Don't go yet because I am gonna show you how easy and fun it is to clean these carpets. And Emma is going to be in full character. So if you wanna have a great laugh, make sure you stay tuned.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
If this is your first time here, I want to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mariana, and in this channel, you will find cleaning motivation organizational ideas and DIYs, all on a frugal budget. If you're into content like that, I hope that you consider subscribing to my channel and visiting my home every Sunday. I am a full-time working mama and I have three kiddos, a 22-year-old, an 18-year-old, and a 13-year-old. Plus, we also have four dogs. So, to say the least, when you come and visit my home, there's always a big mess, a lot of dust, and many things to clean and organize. And the day doesn't have enough hours for us to tackle everything. And this is why I created this channel, because it helps me stay accountable and stay productive throughout my day. You guys on the other side of the screen inspire me to clean my home and to share their journey with you.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits. 'Cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you.
Make sure to clean it because it'll get really dusty.
Okay.
'Cause I know that people get scared sometimes. Hope it's not this time. 'Cause
Mariana, what are you doing? This is my mom's brand new carpet.
Oh my God, Emma! But don't you worry. Look how easy it's gonna be to clean this out. You ready?
Yeah?
Let's go. Gonna show you. This is gonna work, Emma.
What you saw me spill on the carpet was my coffee, and if you are a coffee lover, drop me an emoji. Now, it don't matter what is it that you spill or what kind of incident you have on these carpets. They're very easy to wash. All you have to do is throw them in your washer machine, and after your cycle is done, make sure you dry them. It took only 7 minutes for the one carpet tile to dry, and it was again very easy to lay back down.
suddenly I feel so rich. No, I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about
The girls were very excited on this day while we were filming, and they also worked really hard. But guess who else worked really hard? Our videographer, and you know that's my son Matthew behind the camera taking most of this footage. So make sure you give him a shout out in the comments down below and stay until the end so you could see my friend's reaction.
I know he's just mad, but it feels like I
Now say, tell mommy to come.
Come!
Wow.
Come feel it.
What did you guys do? Put
We
down
got
the
some
rug?
carpet.
Ooh, nice. Wow, nice and soft.
And the stain came out, which
Ooh,
is the
the
good
coffee
part.
stain came out. Oh, wow. Really nice. It looks so good.
And it's clean. It feels soft too, right? Is it comfy? It's very comfy. For the winter weather, very nice and warm. It's nice. I like the colors. I like the pattern.
Thank you.
2 thumbs up. Thank you very much for the rug. It's very pretty. Goes with the style and the colors in the office, and we really like it. Do we like it?
Yes.
Thank you.
Please subscribe, like that video, and please click the button.
And click the button. Yes.
And click the notification button.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank